No sound through HDMI on a Sharp TV is almost always a settings change or a cable swap, not a hardware fault. Start by reseating the cable. Audio and video run separately, so a loose cable drops sound while the picture stays. The biggest fix: switch digital audio output from auto to PCM. It's uncompressed stereo every speaker can play. For a soundbar, enable HDMI ARC on both devices. One side set to off breaks the whole chain. Still silent? Update the firmware. Sharp patches HDMI bugs regularly. Factory reset is the last resort. Get your sound back. Full 7-step fix on smarttvs.org.